Ram power here at Unique, especially in classics. Now listen to this, folks. 1983 Dodge W150 Prospector. So we have a 4x4 regular cab short box, clean Carfax, and listen to this, actual miles a little over 9,000 on this. Been in the same family since new, and it shows, no doubt about that. All right, underneath the hood, 318 V8. That's paired up with an automatic transmission, 727, of course, power steering, power brakes, AC. Option on this truck I thought was pretty cool, the Ram's head hood. Now, if you want to see exactly how this truck is equipped, if you look in the still pictures, there's going to be basically a breakdown on the sticker that's underneath the hood. There's two of them that will tell you exactly how this truck is equipped. Those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description if you're seeing it on YouTube. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Take a look at the chrome on the front of this vehicle. Bright work, paint. This thing's 40 years old and you would never guess it. It is crazy how clean this truck is. Look at the underside pictures. We have underside pics, interior, engine bay. Does have the sport wheels. Running boards have been added. And look up and down this passenger side. I mean, I haven't noticed really a nick, ding, or scratch. I'm sure you can find an imperfection somewhere along the line. This thing is 40 years old, but overall, it's just wow. Interior, yeah, of course, looks just as nice as the exterior. It's got gray vinyl seat. All stock. We'll get around to the driver's side, check that out a little bit closer. I'm gonna start it up, let's hear it run. Okay, there's maybe a nick or a scratch. It's the bed of a pickup. What do you expect? But just check it out. And yes, this one looks as good in person as it does in the pictures. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And again, look down the side of that box. Round to the rear, chrome on the rear bumper. We've had a few of these kind of time capsule survivor type vehicles in lately, and it's amazing. And that's one of the reasons I tell you, if you're into cool older cars, whether it be a Dodge pickup, Buick Electra, like our YouTube channel, subscribe to it. It's amazing. You don't know what's going to come through here at Unique Classic Cars from day to day. These vehicles' videos are uploaded daily. When they're uploaded, the vehicles are available to purchase online right off our showroom floor, and you just never know what you'll see. As we take a look down this driver's side, and again, look how nice a condition that paint's in. I might have found a couple little imperfections over here, and I mean, you really have to look. This door's kind of right there. Again, that's being awful fussy and nitpicky for a vehicle that's 40 years old. You want to have some fun, local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows, or just driving it, you don't come across these Rams like this. And most generally, the trucks are all worked. They're not in this kind of shape. Door panels, yeah, like new. It doesn't hardly look like there's been an arm on that armrest. Did I mention the seat doesn't show any wear? Tilt column, cruise control. Now, I mentioned that power steering, power brakes, AC. Technician did mention AC was in op. May need a little bit of TLC. Consigner this vehicle said announce it, sell it the way it is, reflect it in the price. Making you aware of that. There's your exact miles. 7,123. No, that's not 107,123. Don't even try to convince me of that. You think that? Come look at the truck yourself. Look at the top of that dash. Truck's been stored indoors. Look at the carpeting. Nice condition that is. Just the dash in general. Let's fire it up. Let's hear it run. We'll take a peek underneath the hood. And like I said earlier, Look at the still pictures in the underside of this truck. It is amazing. Was a cold start, temp shouldn't be up, battery gauge, fuel, oil pressure, and again, 7,123 miles. 318 underneath the hood. Choke me at beyond just a second here for that little higher idle, but let's take a listen to it. Let it warm up just a little bit. Sounds like you'd expect, nothing crazy over the top or exhaust. Stick around to the end of this video. We'll put a little driving video back there with Jason taking it for a drive. Pretty sure I know how this one's going to drive out. All right. Let me pause this a second. I'm going to get underneath that hood. Let you see the engine bay. I'll point out what I'm talking about with that sticker and all the options. And we'll wrap up this walk around. All right, hood liner, nice and clean and tidy. I did get it idled down, let it warm up a little bit. And stickers still in the valve covers. Has had the radiator replaced to a nice aluminum radiator. New radiator, battery disconnect over here. The one that's in storage or in between drives. Here's what I'm talking about. These two sheets right here. Those have the options on them. You can check them out in the still pictures. Got nice close-ups of both of them. Listen to that run. Look how nice and clean and tidy this engine bay is. Still talking chalk marks on the inner fenders. No rust, corrosion. And again, that 318 just purrs. Definitely a survivor. Wow. 40 years old. And it's a beauty. 1983 Dodge W50. Should say W150. Sorry, Prospector. Regular cab, short box, 4x4. Call us, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Clean Carfax. Just a little over 7,000 miles. Same family since new. We do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1983 Dodge W150 pickup truck. Regular cab. Very, very good condition. I mean, inside, this looks like a new truck. Outside, also, very nice. Impressive to feel and see. The steering is amazingly tight. Starts and runs perfectly smooth. All our gauges are working as they should. Fuel gauge showing about 1/4 of a tank. The oil pressure right in the middle of the gauge. Temperature a little under center gauge. And the battery also right in the middle of the gauge. Speedometer working as it should. Factory looking stereo. Also working as it should. The blower motor works on this truck. Wipers are functional as they should be. Great color scheme, that deep red burgundy and silver or gray. Steering wheel is cocked slightly to the left. That doesn't affect performance at all. Brakes nice and smooth and straight. This is a four-wheel drive. This truck corners amazingly flat. It doesn't lean much in the corners at all, which means firm as new suspension. And looking underneath, it looks quite nice. Nice smooth ride. A lot of this truck feels like a new truck. It's amazing for 1983. and a Dodge, which you see even less than Fords or Chevys, you're definitely going to want to check this truck out and look at all the pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com.